Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm doing some curry chicken feet with broad bean. So if you want to see how I put together this delicious, beautiful plate of food, just keep on watching. And also, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, and let's get this on, guys. Okay guys, the first step I did was to remove the nails from the chicken feet and also chop them in smaller pieces as you see I did. And I'll wash them with vinegar and then I'll add my season. The season I'll be using will be on the screen, but feel free to use those of your choice except paprika. Okay? You don't need paprika for the curry. Okay? So feel free to use those of your choice. Here is a list of all that I've used. So feel free to use this or those of your choice. Yes. So I'm going to season this and put this to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Then we'll come back to the cooking process. So catch you then, guys. Keep on watching. Meat has been marinated for over 30 minutes. Now let's begin the cooking process. We're going to add a little oil for eating. Then we're going to add the best curry ever, some better pack, yes. and allow that to toast for a minute or so. Then we add our marinated chicken feet. Then we're going to stir that well so it married with all this beautiful curry, and cover our pot and allow it to sweat. In the meanwhile, you're going to add water to your kettle or a pot on the side of the stove, because we need boiling water to cook this, okay? So I'm going to add enough water until my chicken feet are tender enough. Then we can add our broad bean and the remaining season. So I'll catch you at the end of the video, guys. Just keep on watching. So here we have come to the end of another video. But before I end, I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys for the support. And for those of you coming for the first time, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. Look at the pretty sauce, guys. And this is Better Pack curry, the best curry ever. Yes. And here is my finished product, guys. I served this with some white rice, fried plantain, tomato and lettuce, and some cabbage and carrot salad. This was so delicious. Yes. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.